I have always loved drawing, but especially since the pandemic, I have been trying to bring the outdoors indoors. Hi, I'm Kaylee Wilson, and I am a full-time mom, part-time artist from the Canadian prairies. So today for the etcher class, I will be showing you how to draw a Calla Lily bouquet. In this class, we will draw the rough draft together, we will ink the outlines, and I will also walk you through how to add your different detail lines. So this will help add dimension and depth to your project. We will be covering how you can take complicated shapes from your reference images and how you can simplify them so you feel confident tackling whatever you come across. We will also be doing a 3-line process, how you can draw leaves in different positions and perspectives. And once you feel comfortable with that process, you will be able to draw leaves in whatever position that you can imagine.